Hello and welcome to Complete Agriculture. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of betel leaf farming, a crop, its cultural significance and economic value. Whether you are a seasoned farmer or curious beginner, this video is guide you through every step from soil preparation to harvesting. Let's get started. Everyone has a question, why betel leaf? Betel leaf, also known as pan, right? So betel leaves are not just a cultural staple. They are a lucrative crop with a high demand in market across Asia. They thrive in warm, humid climate and can yield profit year around if managed well. Plus, they require minimal space compared to the other cash crop. Choosing right variety. Start by selecting the best variety for your region. Popular choice including Bangla, Maghai and Calcutta. Look for the disease-resistant strains and ensure your saplings come from the trusted nurseries. Healthy sapling means strong start. Soil and climate. Betel vines love well-drained, loamy soil with pH around 6 to 7.5. Test your soil and enrich with organic composite before planting. Aim for a warm, humid climate. Ideal temperature range between 20 degrees centigrade to 40 degrees centigrade. If you are in dried area, consider shaded net or a drip irrigation. So planting process. Plant saplings in a raised bed or pits spaced 1.5 to 2 feet apart. Support the vines with vertical poles or drills. This improves the air circulation and eases harvesting. Water thoroughly after planting, but avoid waterlogging. Mulching help retain moisture and suppress weeds. Maintenance tips. Feed your vines through organic manure every 3 months. Prune excess leaf to boost growth and prevent overcrowding. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. Pro tips is like spray neem oil weekly to deter pests like naturally affect the plant. Pest and disease control. Watch out for leaf rot and powdery mildew. Remove infected leaves immediately and apply a baking soda water mix as a dye fungicide. For pest, sticky trap or garlic chili spray work wonder. Always prioritize organic solution for safer and chemical-free production. Then harvesting time. Betel leaves are ready in 6 to 8 months. Harvest mature glossy leaves early in the morning for maximum freshness. Use sharp scissor to avoid damaging the vine. A healthy plant can yield 8 to 100 leaves annually. Handle them gently to prevent brushing. Post harvesting storage of betel leaves is one more important thing. Store leaves in a bamboo basket lined with the banana leaves to retain moisture. Keep them in a cool, shaded area for a longer shelf life. Avoid stacking leaves too tightly. Quick transport to markets ensure the better price. It will help you to make the maximize of profit. So basically there are step-by-step harvesting process you need to understand. First, identify the mature leaves. Target the oldest, healthier leaves at the base of the vine. Then second is the cut carefully. Hold the stem 1 inch from the vine and snip at 45-degree angle. This promotes the faster healing and regrowth. Handle gently. Place leaf flat in baskets. Never stack them. Burist leaf lose market value. So limit per plant. Never harvest more than 30 to 40% of leaf from the vine at a time. Over harvesting stress out the plant. So common mistake to avoid is the harvesting in rain. Wet leaf rot faster. Okay, then rough handling. Crushed leaves lose their shine and aroma. Ignoring plant health. Never harvest from diseased vine. It spread pathogeneously. Stick to this rule. Your betel leaves will stay high demand. Maximizing yield profit. A healthy betel vine can produce 80 to 100 leaves annually. Rotate harvest zone. Let part of the vine rest between the peaks. Go organic and bundle carefully. And there you have it. Your complete guide to thriving betel leaves farming. If you found it helpful, smash the like button, subscribe and share this video with family and friends, with fellow growers. Drop your question in the comment below and we will see in the next episode of the complete agriculture happy farming video, right? Thank you for watching once again. Hope you enjoy the video.